I wake up and make a list of things to sell on eBay. My lava lamp, a snow globe with a music box in the bottom. In my closet, I find old games and puzzles. Nothing's worth much. My bicycle? Too noticeable. In the shower, I remember something else. The Whitby. The hand-woven top must be worth something. Mom and Dad would never let me do this, but I'm going to anyway. After all, I'll never wear it. I bring up eBay on my laptop and click register. I enter my name, my email address. Oh no, I have to click I'm at least 18 years of age. My mouse hovers over the box. Well, how would they know? I imagine sirens going off or a voice coming through my computer. You are 12. Your computer will now be confiscated. I can't figure out how the computer would know that, but I'm still worried. I don't want to know what happens. I X that window. I'll have to think of some other way to sell it. A text comes from Grandma. You're going to Guatemala? World traveler. Embrace the adventure. Enjoy the day, sweetie. I should have known she'd think Guatemala would be fun. Sure, as fun as collecting fingernail clippings. By the time I get to school, I'm a self-doubt sandwich. Normal on the outside, worried on the inside. Where can I sell the Whitby? Or how else can I earn money? Will it even work? It has to. I'm so wrapped up in the plan that Mr. Wilson, my Texas history teacher, has to say my name twice before I hear him. Even English isn't much fun, and I'm glad when lunch comes, so I'm not hungry. I toss my lunch sack on the table, leaving it unopened. Jaden takes the round stool opposite me, and Zuri sits next to me. A soft thud thumps my chest. I was stupid to sit down first. Tomorrow I'll let Jaden sit first, then claim the next two seats. They chat about the usual things, but I can't concentrate. Zuri finally notices. What's up, you? I can't help but grumble. Just thinking about this trip makes my stomach spasm. My parents want us to fly to Guatemala for Christmas. And you don't want to go? Jaden looks shocked, like he's wanted to tour Central America all his life. No way! I won't be able to talk to anyone. It'll be horrific. Talking's overrated, Jaden says. You have a great smile. The whole cafeteria has magically brightened. Your parents can translate for you, right? Zuri says. They could, but I shake my head. I don't want to go. I just don't. But you have to, right? Jaden shrugs. And I realize that they don't understand. I want to explain, but no words come. Just a twisting in my gut every time I imagine the trip. Hey, Jaden says, your trip reminds me of an idea I had. A movie. Going to one? I ask, thinking, yes, yes, yes. Making one. The light in Jaden's eyes makes me forget Guatemala and buses and money for a second. But Zuri's face looked like she swallowed flat soda. I am not starring in any more homemade horror movies. She looks so serious I can't help but laugh. Oh, come on, Jaden says. That was fifth grade. It'll be different this time. No ketchup blood, I promise. And that old video camera was cool. How could I resist? Kiki here would have to try it out, right? I'm giggling, imagining Jaden behind an old style camera, choosing a location, setting up a shot. Admit it, it was fun. It was not fun. Zuri drops each word like a brick, but she's grinning. I count back to fifth grade when they met 2 years ago. That's 4 birthday parties, a lot of shared jokes, and at least one homemade horror movie. I can't figure them out. Are they truly just friends? They sit with each other, not a group. Mom says I overanalyze. Can a girl and a boy be just friends? Okay, fine, no movies, but let's at least do something outside of school for once. What if we took an all-day bike ride? A tingle climbs up my spine. I know a place. There's a bike trail about a half hour from here that goes to Eagle Lake and back. 15 miles each way. My Aunt Jess told me about it. Perfect, Zuri says. Only, do you think our parents will let us do it? We'll be together, says Jaden. Besides, you and I have biked all over town. Years of bike rides. How will I ever catch up? Jaden tilts his head back and looks at the ceiling. I wish we could go tomorrow. Why is it only Tuesday? How about Sunday? I want to go soon. After this, we 3 will share a memory. Sunday's good, Zuri says. Text when we get the okay from our parents. Going to class, Jaden falls into stride next to me, leaning over my phone to see the Eagle Lake trail map. I like the fresh laundry smell of his shirt. At the classroom door, he says, I can't wait. Your parents are easier than mine, Zuri reminds him. I cross my fingers on both hands and make an X on my forearms. I hope we get permission. I hope Jaden will like me as much as he likes Zuri. I hope my life is becoming what I've always dreamed, filled with people and places I'm curious about. In class, Miss May shouts, "Y'all hush now!" And she reads us a poem about two roads diverging in a wood. But I don't see the poem the way she does. A traveler comes upon a fork in the path. He chooses one, and Miss May says, "Choices create your future," the kind of thing my dad would say. But the man in the poem sighs. He can't come back to this place and try the other road. He can't take both, only one. I picture my cuddy little cousins walking away on one road and my friends disappearing around the curve of another. Is there a third road somewhere, wide enough to hold us all? In choir, we warm up our voices, singing a scale up and down, sitting up straight, and using my voice to help me set aside other thoughts. Today, we'll put all four parts together, Mr. Green announces. Yes, I do a little seat jump. Until now, we've been learning our song's parts separately. Soprano, alto, tenor, and bass by themselves, and Mr. Green banging out each one on the piano. Let's take it slow, all right, he says. First chord. Basses, give us the root. The boys in the bass section concentrate and blend their voices into one note. Now tenors. We stack the chord, then move to the second one. The song unfolds in slow motion. I soak in the sound, listening both to myself and the whole room. As we reach the phrase, I'm filled with hope. The bike trip, the bus to grandma's. If I think hard and plan, I know it can all work out.